Hey everyone, welcome back Serial A to Z. What makes a sitcom character unforgettable is it their intelligence, their humor, or the way they make us laugh without even trying. When it comes to Big Bang Theory, one name stands above everyone else, Sheldon Cooper. He is a Nobel Prize winning physicist, a master of science, and somehow of the most social awkward person in the room. Yet that exactly why millions of fans fell in love with him. Today we are looking at some of Sheldon's funniest moments and why they still make audience laugh year after the show ended. The famous coach spot. One of Sheldon's most iconic moments happens over sometimes incredible simple a seat on the couch. When Fanny casually sits in his spot, Sheldon does not just ask her to move. Instead, he delivers a detailed scientific explanation about why that exact location is perfect. According to him, it's warm enough during winter, cool enough during summer, and positioned at the ideal angle for watching television without creating distraction. To everyone else, it's just a coach. To Sheldon, it's year of scientific optimization. That's what makes the joke brilliant. He is completely serious while everyone around him realize how absurd the situation really is. Science is always the answer. Another unforgettable scene comes when Penny asks for relationship advice about Leonard. Most people would simply say yes or no, not Sheldon. Instead, he explained Schrödinger's cat, one of the most famous thought experiments in quantum physics. He spent so much time explaining the science that Fanny completely misses the point. When she finally thinks she understands, Sheldon immediately tells her that's not what he meant and starts explaining everything again. It classic Sheldon. Every ordinary conversation somehow becomes a college lecture. Sheldon has zero social filter. One reason Sheldon is so funny is because he never realizes when he is being rude, whether she is calculating Penny's weight during a car ride, criticizing her shopping choice, or explaining why expensive vitamins only create very expensive urine. He genuinely believes he is being helpful. He does not insult people on purpose. His brain simply values fact more than feelings. That unique personality is what separates Sheldon from every other sitcom character. Penny and Sheldon, the perfect comedy duo. What then? Although Leonard is Sheldon's roommate, Penny becomes one of his closest friends. They are complete opposites. Penny understands emotions, Sheldon understands equations. Whenever they spend time together, chores follow. Whether they are arguing about grocery shopping, teasing each other over childhood nicknames like money pie or dealing with sad and impossible routine. Every interaction feelings nature and hilarious. Their friend becomes one of the emotional foundation of the entire series. Everyday life becomes comedy. What makes Sheldon so entertaining is that he can turn the most ordinary situation into unforgettable comedy. A trip to an electronics store becomes an opportunity to help strange strange build computer networks. Laundry night becomes a life or death event because his schedule cannot be changed. Every going even going for a simple morning run turn into a lecture about biomechanism before Sheldon immediately trips and falls. These are not huggy dramatic moments, they are everyday situation made hilarious because of the way Sheldon sees the world. His mind is always operating on logic, calculation, and scientific precision, even when common sense would make life much easier. Final thought: the genius of Sheldon Cooper is not just that he is incredibly intelligent, it's that he never pretends to be anyone else. He is honest, awkward, stubborn, and unbelievable confident. Sometimes he is a frustrating, sometimes he is impossible, but he is always entertaining. That's why the Big Bang Theory remained one of television's biggest sitcom for over a decade. Behind every great joke is Sheldon's unique way of thinking, a perspective that completely different from everyone around him, and maybe that's the biggest lesson from the show. You don't have to fit in to comes unforgettable. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us in the comments which Sheldon Cooper moments is your all-time favorite. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video, and share his friend and support me. Thank you.